Yo, let's go.
Actuate this crowd. And the reason why we believe that the portfolio itself is very complementary, I would say
Yeah,
about 70% of the exposure that they have to operators, we have it in our portfolio as well.
Yeah, we're gonna go and try and make
And
50K
the
in 10 minutes here. What we doing?
diversification
What's
benefits
hot?
that we get, the 18
What's
of
hot
our
right
top
now?
20 clients,
Apple.
basically we have a reduced exposure to them post this transaction.
Apple's at
closing, as
182.
well as if you look at 9 out of the top 10
You know what? Let's
industries
buy
that
it.
we are exposed to, we also get
I don't know what I'm
diversification
doing.
benefits
How do I
there.
buy?
So on multiple fronts, this particular transaction actually
Trade.
checked the box for us. And it took, a lot of the growth pressure off the table for us in a year
What am I
where
doing?
we're going to be incredibly selective.
What is all this?
Given that the cost
I have
of
no
capital
idea what
has
all
moved
this
as
is.
much as it has,
I have no idea.
but the cap rate environment quite.
I thought I heard two things.
Let me shut this guy up. Let me see what's going on here. How do I buy? Let me see here. Positions. Monitor. See? This is what I'm talking about, man. This stuff is heavy. I don't even know how to buy. Where do I buy? How do I buy? Let me see here. Yeah, this is a new platform I just picked up, man. This is what I get. I gotta, see, hold on here. This is simulated trade. How do I do this? Let me see here. So I go to monitor. I go to trade. How do I buy? Oh, here we go. Buy. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna buy how many? What did I do? How many shares did I just buy? Where's my positions? I just bought 100 shares of Apple. Let's see how much money we can make. Let's see how much money we can make in the next 10 minutes here. What did I buy at? Does it tell me what my positions is? I'm at 182. Yo, let's get some music, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is how the big guys make a ton of money. This is how they do it. I just bought $10,000 worth of Apple. Let's see what it does. It doesn't tell me my position. What was my position? I gotta figure this shit out right here. This is crazy. I'm at 182.74. Woo! Right, here's my charts. As you see right here, Apple's making a run. Can I zoom in here? How do I zoom in? I gotta figure this out. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, this is crazy. 182. I don't know if it's gonna make a run. I should have done this earlier today. It's at 173. So this is what we're trying to figure out here, right? So let's say today you had bread, right? If you had money today and you bought Apple at 177, and this is just called scalping, right? So if you had 100 grand, right? And you just, I'm gonna fuck around with 100 grand right now. I'm I'm gonna buy the stock at 179 into 182. Made a couple grand today. Apple is doing a late run. Apple is doing a late run. Let's see what we got here. So what we're doing is, this is a simulation trading. This is being done over whatchamacallit. It's being done over where's my chat? I gotta get my chat involved in this. Let me see here. Let me close this out. Aha, Roger that gamer. What's going on, baby? Let's see these money moves. I'm trying, bro. Roger that gaming, man. Welcome to the chat.
Bobby Shakes, your aimbot is activated.
All right, we rolling. We got 182.70. Roger that. Let me see what's going on. $182, down a little bit. This is crazy. This is what the big guys do. This is what the big guys do. Yo, Roger that gaming, man. Yo, I got some clothes for you, bro. When you gonna come pick up we gotta go meet for some clothes, man. Oh, congratulations on the anniversary. Not the anniversary. What is it called? The proposal. My man's getting married. Wow. I know all your ex-girlfriends are saying this. It's too late. Them women weren't the ones. We at 182. Let's see what we got going on here. 182.80. Apple is making a late run. 3 o'clock. We got an hour and a half left on the training day. Apple's gonna make a run. Apple's gonna make a run. I got 10,000 on Apple right now. Let's see what happens. Wow, this is it. What is my position? What did I buy it at? So Apple opened today at 182. Its high it's been is 183. The low it's been at 181. So we don't think, by what's going on with the activity today, we don't think Apple will close 185, right? The highest has been 183. Looks like a lot of people took profit. It looks like people, they bought they bought this position in at 170. Apple's was low as 160 a couple days ago, I believe. Now it's at 180. That's $20 a share. All right, let's go. We're making a move. 182. 182. Apple's making a late run. Wow. Apple's making a late run. Apple's making a late run. Yo, let's punch in, man.
No more. A top CIO changing his tune on stocks. He'll tell us why in just a moment. Here's your scorecard with 60 minutes to go in regulation.
60 minutes ready to go in regulation. Yo, these dudes talk like this is a game. They talk like this is a game. But what they don't understand is this is real life money right here. Thank you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we got to meet up, Roger that game. Yo, Roger that. This is what we got to get into right here. This is the new Call of Duty is this. And I have no clue what the fuck I'm watching, bro. I have no clue what I'm watching. I don't know what's going on, but I got to learn this. I got to learn this in the next 30 days. I got to learn this in the next 30 days. I have no idea what's going on right here. Yo, Romaine Carter. What's going on, baby? Yo, this is it right here. This is it. This is the money. This is what these boys be doing. We trying to make 50K in 10 minutes. Let's go. Apple's making a good push. Yo, let's punch in, man. Let's punch in, man. See what's going
I
on.
told you I'm waiting for a pullback for a better price. And these are large portfolios. We bought about $3 billion worth of stock, and we were done by Monday. Average execution price $41.35, and we're now neutral, fully neutral between stocks and bonds. We have some interesting positioning under the hood still, however.
Okay, so you bought $3 billion worth of stocks. Can you give us an idea of the types of stocks you did buy?
So for us, we went diversified. We are neutral between value and growth. We are overweight small and mid caps, and that's interesting because
Yes, it is interesting.
The S&P equal weighted is flat to down 1% year to date. You're magnificent.
Yo, you hear what this dude just said? This dude just said he bought 3 billion shares. 3 billion shares. So let's just put that into perspective. All right. I can't even do the math. So let's say he bought 3 billion shares of Apple at $1 a piece, right? And it went up $5. How much money did he make? Crickets. Crickets, right?
Everybody shaking, I'm staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.
Yo, these boys is
On the
bugging.
sidelines, some would suggest valuation still too rich. How do you address the risks that you still see?
I'm at
I worry
182.
about 3 main risks. Rates. Definitely, there's still upside risk for rates. I agree with you, Scott. Inflation, maybe the base case is that we continue to normalize, but the risk is to the upside. Oil prices down, the market is sort of calming, but the risk is to the upside on inflation. And the third, you mentioned it, is valuations. You know, overall, the market is reasonably valued, but compared to bonds, stocks are more expensive than they were before this whole, the sell-off of 2022 and where we are now. So, the equity risk premium is most compressed it's been in 20 years. You don't use the equity risk premium to allocate tactically, but
Crazy.
it's still one of the top 3 risks. Cash yields are higher than earnings yield on stocks.
Okay, so I think this is important. So of the risks that you see, the 3 main ones that you listed, you don't have geopolitical risk on the list. I bring it up because we got David Einhorn's investor letter.
I'm gonna punch out of that. Yo, let's go. Give me some music. Give me some music. This is my theme song. I'm hitting right now. I'm up. Let's go. Let's go. 182.64. Apple is gonna make a late run. We got 60 minutes left in regulation. That's how these boys be talking, man. 60 days, 60 minutes left in regulation. You talk about fourth quarter. This is right here. This is the 2-minute offense that you're watching right here. We trying to make 50K. We trying to make 50K in 60 minutes. Let's go. Turn me up. Let's go. 182. I'm hitting. I gotta close at 183. Let's go. As soon as I hit 183, I'm out of my position. I'm out of my position. Let's move the market. You wanna move the market? This is how the big guys do it. Well, how the big guys do it. Buy. Just gonna buy 1,000 shares. Let's go. This is how we move the market. Just bought 1,000 shares of Apple. I moved the market. I moved it. I moved it. I just moved the market. You ready? You want to move the market again? Yep. This is my position. Wish I could bring this up. Can I bring this up? There we go. So down here's my positions. I bought at 182 or 158. Let's do it. Let's move the market. Buy 1,000 shares. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is how they do it. This is how BlackRock does it. This is how Vanguard does it. This is how State Street do it. You move the market. I'm not going to go below 182 because the algorithm is watching me buy. The algorithm is watching me buy. The algorithm wants to know, why am I buying? I'm pushing the market. I'm bullying these dudes right now. I'm bullying the market right now. This is how you call bullying the market. Yo, this dude with money just bought 1,000 shares at 3 o'clock. What does he know that I don't know? What does he know that I don't know? What does he know that I don't know? Come on. We could bully the market again. Let's bully it again. As I see, you're not gonna get a strike price below 182. You're just not. Let's go crazy. Put 5 G's in the market. Wow. What happened? They didn't give it to me. I said, yo, you're going too crazy, bro. I said, you're going too crazy. Yo, Mad Investor, man, what's going on, baby, man? We're just trying to figure out this. Yo, my man, Mad Investor, got me into this, man. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a little history. I think in 1992 was the first stock I bought, and the first stock I bought was Merck. Back in 92, pharmaceutical companies were the tech companies. Let me say that again. Pharmaceutical companies was the tech companies back in 92. Oh man, this is the realest. This is realist. This is money right here. Hold on a second. Hey man, we're bullying the market right now. You're live on stream, my friend.
I'm live on stream.
Yeah,
well, I'm very, very impressed that I was able to grab your phone call and get you on stream. You're a very important person, so you're very honored and special to be live on stream with you.
How can I help you, sir?
Did I lose you?
No, I'm still here.
Oh, okay. Any way you can break up that photo file into two different files? Because the person who's downloading it for me to make the brochure is just having a hard time with it. I'm sorry.
All right. Yeah, I can break it up.
Okay.
How big are the files do they? Yeah, I'll just break it up because if they're making a brochure, it's got to be
They're
full
only
width.
getting one zip file, so if you make 2 folders, photos 1 and photos 2, like you have maybe or something, then you can just download 2 different zip files.
All right.
All right, just let me know when you've made that change, and I can let her know because I need the brochures on Friday. I'm sorry to bother you while you're on the street.
All right, we'll do it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Appreciate it.
That's the big boss. All right, let's see what's going on. As you can see, so this is just a simulation, but what you've witnessed is how BlackRock, State Street, and Vanguard do business. Since I was buying volume, you've noticed that the lowest I bought my volume at 182, the market has not gone below that. Right? So if you've been watching, you've noticed that Apple has not gone below 182 because volume is being purchased. Now, you on the other end, what does that mean? Does that mean that I'm pumping and dumping? I can, because I have billions of dollars, right? So I'm trading with 100 grand. So if I have 100 grand, it's not a lot of activity, but let's say I have, like this guy said, he bought $3 billion worth of shares. $3 billion. He's able to move the market, watch the analytics, pump and dump, leave you holding the bag. And this is going on in America this is going on 24/7, right? Because you got America, you got Asia, you have Europe. So this is a 24/7 clock going on. This is what's going on daily. While you're messing around on IG and Snapchat, this is what these guys are doing. Now, how does this affect you? How does this affect us? It affects us is, okay, boom, I make 200-300 grand today. I make 200-300 grand tomorrow, right? That's 500 grand. I then now go and purchase a house because I don't care about the cost of the house because the money I'm purchasing that house is free. So now that I'm purchasing houses with free money, that drives the cost up. Now that cost is being driven up, that makes this neighborhood or that neighborhood unattainable to me and you. Because these guys is buying houses with fake money. Because they're making money on the stock market, taking that investment, right? To avoid paying taxes. You don't take profit, right? You take this money, you go and buy a piece of property. For that piece of property, you don't pay the taxes, and now you've diversified your wealth, right? So now you've got stocks, now you got real estate. And this is what's going on. As you can see, so now it's 320. The stock right now is fighting. It's fighting, but it's not gonna go below the price we bought it at. Here we go, man. Here's Disney. I think Disney has an earning today.
All that with Warner Brothers, but the key, I think, is the uncertainty around the structural and the management restructuring that's going on. Selling ABC, partnering with ESPN Bet, the Hulu purchase, all of these things. If they don't go exactly as planned, then I think you're going to see a lot more volatility in this stock. So we would probably wait a little bit longer, let some of those uncertainties pass, even if we miss a little bit of the upside, and then start adding to your position at that point.
All right, we shall see. It's going to be an interesting one. That's for sure. Victoria, thank you.
Here's the thing which I don't understand about Mickey Mouse. There's nothing more iconic, more American than this. This is the most famous cartoon character in the world. Right? Hold on a second. I got to prove a point. Hold on. These things right here are the most iconic figures in American history. The question that everybody's having is, why is Disney not making money? You own Marvel, which is the biggest superhero franchise in humanity. You own Star Wars, which is the biggest movie in human history. You own ESPN, and you own Mickey. And the question is, why are these guys not making money? I don't know why. Look at what's happened, man, since I did this. Now, this is just simulating. We're just simulating. We don't have any money. We're just simulating. There it is. Let's go. All right, man, it's 3:20. You know what we're going to start doing? We're going to start selling. Sold. There we go. Sold 100. Let's see what else we got here. So in reality, this is how this shit is fucking done every single day. This shit should be illegal, bro. Now what we could do is, let me see here, option buying power. I don't know how to do this yet, but what I could do is, can I short the stop? Yeah, I got to figure this program out. But this right here is such a dope, man. Open up a TD, open up a TD Ameritrade account. Just open the one up today. Throw $50 in that fucking thing. And then you could download Think and Swim. Here's a closing bell. Let's punch in.
Academy Securities doing the honors ahead of Veterans Day, the observance, of course, later this week. Academy, the only disabled veteran-owned and operated investment bank founded in 2009. Chance Mims is the founder and CEO, a former naval officer. He's with us today along with the firm's president, Phil McConkey, who served in the United States Navy and played for the New York Giants Super Bowl winning team in 1987. It's great to see you guys.
Wow.
Great to have
Lawrence
us.
Taylor.
Thanks so much for being here. Congrats on the closing bell today, and goes without saying, thank you both for your service to this country. How, Chance, did Academy start?
Yeah, Academy started with a simple mission, to hire trained military veterans right out of the financial crisis of 2008. Taking a military veteran, putting him alongside a Wall Street veteran is something we saw to be.
So the closing bell, that always brings somebody in. So I started with 100 grand. I closed the day at 136,000. Made 36,000 since I've been on stream. I've been on stream now for 36 minutes. That's probably is that $1,000 a minute or some shit? Yep, 36,000. Let me see here. Sell again. This is simulation, not a real trade. Yeah, man, this is just a real trade. What did I do here? Did something wrong. Wow. This was fun. This was a fucking blast. Now look at that. That shit's still fucking crazy, man. This shit's so fucking crazy. So I think I'm out of all my positions. I have negative 30. There we go. So I started with 100 grand in my my bank account. And I ended with 154,000. Going to the beach.